Okay, here we have a DLX LUXE in very good condition. This gun was actually produced in June of 2009, so it has the feather touch manifold. It was one of our team guns. Player that traded it in on something else. It's all ninja'd out, gloss black, dust black parts, really good condition. If you don't like that tip, I can get you a different tip. Don't worry about that, just let me know. Really nice shape. No scratches. Very nice gun. Shoots bullets. Not a lot of used guns. You'll know the history on this one. We do. It's been at our shop at the Paintball Plex and traded my gun its entire life. Very nice condition.